Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn your Voki into a QR code so we can attach the QR code to your planet. So if you're logged into Voki, if you click on Create, you should see the Vokis that you've already created. You're going to want to do two things with this. One, you're going to want to share it. That's what that little triangle looks like, share. When you do that, Jesus' eyes are going crazy. You click then on the link that goes with it. It looks like a chain link. So you click Copy URL. Click on that and say copy URL. Now I have that URL copied. Okay, the next thing I want to do is come to QR code generator online, and I'm going to click on to that website so that I can get started generating my QR code. It's as simple as then clicking in here and saying Control V to paste it, and it will make a static QR code. I'll then say create QR code, and it's going to make me wait, just so you know. You're not doing anything. Sometimes it just takes a while. So once you have it, you say download JPEG. Your download will start in a few seconds. So again, they're trying to make you pay for it and do little different things. Just be patient while your download starts. It will start. It's still free. You don't have to pay anything. So patience is a virtue in this sense. Once your download is done, we are going to do a couple things with that. While I'm waiting for my download to finish, though, I'm definitely going to go to my Google Classroom page. And since I'm going to go to the stream where I've posted about Earth, because I want all of my information about Earth in the same stream. So I'm going to say add class comment, and right here is where I'm going to post my QR code for my Voki. And now ta-da, it's there. Oh, you know what? I might want to tell people what that is. So I'm going to actually come back and edit that and say my Voki. And then now I've got it. I'll say save, and my Voki is there. If I click on it, it should take me directly to the Voki that I've created. Okay, so awesome. That is great. Now my QR code hopefully is done. That's not my QR code. So once my QR code has finished downloading, then I will make sure, I found mine below. So I found it right here. Then I can print it off right away. Now here's the thing though. You can be creative in how you want to print it. I'm going to take a screenshot. So again, Control Shift, new screen button for you. And I'm going to take a screenshot of my QR code. I'm also going to go back to that Voki I just pulled up. Sorry. And I'm going to take a screenshot of Jesus as well. And so again, Command Shift, new screen, screenshot, and now I've got Jesus and my QR code hanging out together. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open a Pages document. You're going to want to open a Google Doc. Actually, yeah, you can open up a Google Doc or any type of document that you prefer to work with. And I'm going to put both things on there because that way, when I print it, it will look like something. So I'm going to make a little poster, in other words, that tells people what my QR code is for. So now that I have my document open, I'm just going to drag my Jesus picture on there, and I'm going to drag my QR code picture on there. And so then below it, I'm going to put a text box so that I can type whatever I want. Inside my text box, I want my font to be big enough that people can see it, so I'm going to make it size 20, nice and big. To learn more, check out my Voki. Okay, so now people know what's going on. Notice my font size did not get bigger, so I need to make sure that I do so now. I'm going to go ahead and center it to make sure it looks good. I can bold it, do all the things I want. As soon as I am happy with the way it looks, I'm going to say Control P or Command P if you're on a Mac, so that I can print it to the printer. This then, once it's printed out, I can cut it and hang it by my planet. So that way it will also give anybody in the hallway a Voki information about their planet. That is all you are expected to do today. The printer that you want to go ahead and take it to is room 206, BizHub 470 2P, which I know it's black and white, but that is okay. So that is what you're doing today. Good luck finishing these projects. I cannot wait to hear them tomorrow.